Hey guys, Star here. So today I'm going to show you how to create and use badges inside of HighLevel Certificate Builder. You're not going to want to miss this if you're a course creator or if you have staff where you want to acknowledge their skill sets or any custom achievements. Let's dive in. Okay, so you're going to want to be on the sub-account level. On the left-hand side, you're just going to go ahead and click on Memberships. Once you click on Memberships, go to the top and click Credentials. Here's where we're going to go ahead and create your badge. We're going to go to the right and click the plus create blue button. You'll have the option to create a badge. Here you can start from scratch, and if you want to start from scratch, just go ahead and name your badge. I'm going to go ahead and use a template. Let's go ahead and select this one and click create. Now that you have your template, let's show you a few things that you can do. So there are some text options that are really quick for easy editing. You can actually add a heading by just selecting that heading option. You can add a subheading, which is really nice as well. And you can also add normal text. Now, once you've grabbed the text that you want to add, you can actually change the font style. So feel free to select the various font styles that are listed. You can actually change the font size for quick and easy editing. And you can also change the font weight here. You can make your font bold, you can italicize it, you can also change the line spacing as well, and you can align left, you can align center or right. This is really cool for quick and easy editing. What I love about HighLevel are the custom values. So you can go ahead and add a custom value as it relates to the actual contact, so long as the information is available. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and choose the contact's first name, so that will automatically populate their name directly on the badge. Now you can see here that we have a specific color that we have here. So if you want to change the colors, you can change the color of the fill of the badge background, or you can also use the gradient colors, which I really love as well. You can also change the stroke for those colors, as well as the border type. It could be dotted, a line, or no border at all. Now let's check out the elements. On the left-hand side, if you select elements, you're going to see some bases. So you see this base that I currently have, this purplish base here. You actually have many options to choose from. So you can actually select a different base if you like to do so, and you can just go ahead and play with the sizing of that base and just choose a base that you love for your badge. So those are some really nice options that HighLevel has given us. Also, we have lines. So if you want to add a line to your design, you can just drag and drop a line, as well as arrows as well. We have many shapes as well that can be incorporated into your design. So if you needed to add a rectangle, a square, or heart, you can do that. You can go ahead and drag that if you need to maybe add some sort of a design, if you wanted to add a specific shape to your design. Additionally, we have ribbons. Look at all of these really nice ribbons here. You can just grab the ribbon that you like, go ahead and change the size, and place it where you want to place it on your design. There are also many icons to choose from, so you can go ahead and select an icon. If there's a specific icon that you want to add to your design, feel free to do that as well. And what I love about these icons are they're also icons related to social media. So if you're giving some sort of a badge as it relates to social media, or if you want it featured on social media, you can also insert that social media icon. Very nice. Additionally, we have some graphics here, and you can use these graphics. If you wanted to add one of these graphics to your design, you can feel free to do so. Now, let's talk about images. If you want to upload your own image, it could be a logo or any image at all you have to do is add it to your media library, and then you can go ahead and select upload and double click that image, and it will go ahead and bring your logo right into the design for easy editing. You can also use an image URL. So if you have an image URL, you can just copy and paste that here, and that's another way that you can actually import your own image into the design. Now, please note that you can actually select an element by using shortcuts such as Control X. You can also use Control C to copy and Control V to paste. So that really makes your editing really fast and easy. You can also use your arrows to move things to the right or left. This is a fully functional editor. I love it. And you also have layer control. So if you have a layer that you want to move backwards or forward, all you need to do is select that layer, and then you'll see these options here at the top, right above it, and I can actually send this backwards if I wanted to, or I can bring it forward. So you can go ahead and preview your badge by clicking the preview button here, and you can see what your badge will look like. If there are things that you want to change, just go back to the editor and make those changes. You can also save your badge once you're done by clicking on save, and you can go ahead and send it out to your clients, your staff, or customers. So you can go ahead and add the instructor's name, and you can go ahead and select the recipients, And you do have the ability to add a phone number and email address as well. So you can go ahead and send that email. And please note, as I mentioned earlier, if the contact level custom value is present, it will populate. But if that custom value is not present, then some values could go blank. So go ahead and send your email and you're done. So go ahead and create your own custom badges for your students, clients, or staff today. And don't forget to check out the corresponding help doc to this tutorial below. Be sure to check out our Content Army playlist for more tutorials like this one. I'll see you guys in the next one.